ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦਿਸ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਆਫ ਦ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸ਼ੋ। ਇੱਕ ਨਵੀਂ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਫੋਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਯੰਗਸਟਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਐਂਡ ਆਫ ਕੋਰਸ ਜਨਰਲ ਪਬਲਿਕ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਬਟ ਆਮ ਤੌਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਕਈ ਵਾਰੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੱਕ ਲੋਕ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਕਰਕੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਕੁਝ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮਸ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਯੰਗਸਟਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਜੋੜ ਸਕੀਏ। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਐਵਰੀਬਡੀ ਵਾਂਟਸ ਟੂ ਬੀ ਹੈਪੀ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਡਿਸਪਾਈਟ ਸਾਡੇ ਐਡਵਾਂਸਮੈਂਟ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀ ਦੀ, ਕਿਹੜੀ ਐਸੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਅੱਜ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਬਾਵਜੂਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਹੈਪੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹਾਂ। ਐਂਡ ਅਗੇਨ ਜਨਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਗੈਪ ਤਾਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਸੁਣਨ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਅਲੱਗ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਇਟਸ ਐਨ ਐਫਰਟ। ਪੂਜਾ ਰੂਪਰਲ ਜੀ ਇੱਕ ਆਥਰ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਲਿਖੀ ਹੈ ਪੈਸ਼ਨ, ਪਰਸੀਵਰੈਂਸ ਐਂਡ ਪ੍ਰੇਅਰ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਿਕਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਅਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਹੈਪੀਨੈਸ ਮੈਨੂਅਲ ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਮੈਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਂਝ ਪਾਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਅਤੇ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਯੰਗਸਟਰਸ ਨੂੰ ਜੋੜ ਸਕੀਏ ਕਿ ਅਸਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਾਟ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਐਸੈਂਸ ਆਫ ਹੈਪੀਨੈਸ। ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੂਜਾ ਰੂਪਰਲ ਨੂੰ। Welcome to the program.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ji. First of all, congratulations for this book. I was going through it. It's very extensive. You have tried to touch every aspect. So now when we talk about happiness, and as I said, everybody wants to be happy. We know this word. We listen to this word. But despite that, in this rat race, what we are following, every day we know this is a great concept, but when it comes to practice, many a times our fundamentals, our principles get aside, and we also continue in the same path. So today, if you could start off, because to achieve something, you have to start from somewhere, and that is you ought to have that, that urge to reach over there. So when we say in the first chapter, you're talking about dare to win. That's you start off from there. So if you could elaborate on this and tell us that what is that path that blueprint which you need to create by which you can start stepping on it day by day and then ultimately reach your destination, whatever it may be.
So I think happiness is an inner choice. Just like many other aspects of our life, we can choose to be happy every moment of every day through every interaction and help others be happy, or we can choose to surrender our happiness and leave it at the mercy of आज किसी ने हमें डांट लिया तो हम नाराज़ हो जाते हैं, और काम पे गए तो बॉस के साथ थोड़ी अनबन हो गई, again we get depressed or we get upset, we get anxious, and we give away our power.
Right.
When we recognize that happiness is an inner choice, and that's something we have to figure out right at the beginning of our day. Today I'm going to be happy. That's the starting point.
Okay.
We restore our own power.
So every day has to be a new day. That thought has to be there.
And every day I'm going to be happy. And I think the crux of the matter is there are some things within our control, some things are not within our control, right? If there is a natural calamity, there's a tsunami, there's not much you and I can do about it at that point. So, but lots of things are within our control. The way we respond to situations, the way we respond to people, that's totally within our control. Whether we allow somebody to anger us or we allow, let it be, let it pass, that's our choice. And I think the crux of the matter is to choose to be the best we can each day.
Right.
I'm going to be the best I'm going to be. I'm going to be happy and leave the rest.
Right. But Pujaji, many times this attitude might also lead to others thinking that the other person is meek. And in today's world, if you just start accepting everything as it is happening, then doesn't it rebound and you are just treated as a football and anybody can use you?
I wasn't referring to meek. I wasn't referring to being meek.
Right.
What I'm referring to is, again, an inner attitude.
Right.
So आप मुझे कुछ बोलते हैं, I don't like it. I can get angry and I can start an argument.
Right.
And then it can blow up. Some people cannot manage their anger and it blows up into all kinds of things we don't want.
Right.
But I can choose at that point of time, just because you're saying it, it doesn't make it the truth of my life. I can choose to ignore it, or if I want, I can have a discussion with you if I think I can be calm about it. But if I think it's going to lead into an argument, it's going to upset me, it's going to cause me, and I'm going to think about it for 3 nights. अरे उसने ये कहा, फिर मैंने ये कहा, अच्छा मैंने ये क्यों नहीं कहा, मैंने क्यों नहीं वापस डांटा?
Right.
It's going to affect me for 3 days. I can just choose to walk away.
And probably the other person might not even be knowing about it, and you are wasting your time, energy, and health also is being affected by this kind of attitude.
And besides, how does it affect the other person? Does he really care?
Right.
Is he going to stop? Or he's going to keep doing it again and again?
Right.
So what's the purpose? What do I accomplish by getting into a argument or
Right.
trying to justify my situation?
So every day is a new beginning, and every day it's a battle which you are fighting with yourself, in which you have to, overcome those passions or those issues which are troubling you and come out of it in a winning manner.
Quite well said. लेकिन battle seems फिर अंदर एक battle हो गया तो बाहर, I mean, we are talking about escaping the outer battle and then
Right.
having an inner battle. So somehow that inner self also has to be at peace.
Right.
It's a struggle for sure to keep ourselves, don't let things affect us. It is a struggle.
Right.
So definitely, but we've got to be feel inner peace.
Right.
And there are many paths to do that. I may choose to meditate. I'm a Buddhist.
Right.
Somebody else may go for yoga. Somebody gets inner peace by running on the treadmill.
Right. We'll talk in details about this particular issue about inner peace, because that again is a chapter I think which will come along the way. But right now, when you have to start, we have to reach anything. We dare to dream. You ought to have
Yes.
that courage to dream. And it is said that if you have to reach any place, you start to have building a blueprint, and that blueprint means dream.
Yes.
How important is the concept of dream or imagination? Because this is a point which we hear a number of times. Dream first, and then you can reach your goal. But many times in our communities, we segregate this issue. We don't give much emphasis to this. We say, jo hoga, usko accept kar lenge. So why is dreaming important?
If you go there in your thoughts, you'll go there in your body. If we don't think about it, a dancer, she's good at dancing, she has a gift.
Right.
But if she doesn't have the dream that I want to go on stage, I want to perform, those thoughts don't exist, she's not going to take action about it. She's not
Right.
going to do anything about it. She's just going to, kisi friends ke saath dance kar liya, and that's it. That's where she limits herself.
Right.
But the moment she thinks that I have this gift, I want to share it with the rest of the world.
Right.
What can I do to make that happen?
Right.
What action can I take? Because when I have a dream, the responsibility is mine.
Right.
Like, some of us get lucky and people walk up to us and say, hey, you dance well, can I cast you in my movie? But for the rest of us, we have to take action.
Right.
And get ourselves to our destination. We have a dream, it's our responsibility to fulfill it.
Right. So again, starting with something has to be there, it has to be conceived, and then you start working on it step by step. And in our next episode, I would like to talk about this issue also, because we get overwhelmed by many things many a time. So how is it that to keep your attention span on one particular thing, so that we start working on that and automatically you start reaching to your goals? Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲਬਾਤ ਕੀਤੀ ਪੂਜਾ ਰੂਪਰਲ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ ਆਥਰ ਨੇ, ਤੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹ ਕਿਤਾਬ ਲਿਖ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ, ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫੋਕਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਸਕਸੈਸਫੁਲ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਵਿਅਕਤੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਹੋਵੇ, ਪਰ ਕਾਮਯਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਰੂਲਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਕੁਝ ਫਾਊਂਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਉਸੇ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਡੇਅਰ ਟੂ ਡਰੀਮ, ਇੱਕ ਆਪਣੇ 'ਚ ਇੰਨੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਮਨੋਬਲ ਮਜ਼ਬੂਤ ਹੋਵੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਡੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ, ਡਰੀਮ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਵੀ ਮੁਕਾਮ ਤੱਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਪਰ ਇਹ ਤਦ ਹੀ ਸੰਭਵ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜੇਕਰ ਇਨਸਾਈਡ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਹੋਵੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਆਊਟਵਰਡ ਪੈਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮਜ਼ਬੂਤ ਹੋਵੇ।